Hello everyone, my name is Christian Che, and today I will be helping us to complete a certain assignment on Excel. Okay, but I'm going to go real quickly. We have track your expenses for 2 weeks. I'm going to skip that. Let me go to the one that has a grade here. Okay, if you watch my first video about basic paragraph, it will help you over here. Okay, so it will help you activity getting things done. So it's just like you setting timetable or setting time on what you do and how to do them, which day to do them. So that is 70 points. So please don't miss that. It's 70 points. You are going to use Microsoft Word. In my first video, I showed us how to download the Word, edit it, rename it, and when you are done, how to submit it. Okay, but I'm going to show us on Spreadsheet. So today we're going to do on Spreadsheet. If I still have time, I'm going to show us how to solve your loans. Here we already done this assignment, but I'm going to use this place to show you how to do your assignment if you've not submitted your assignment. So there are videos on how to complete that assignment on this links over here, the link you see here. Okay, but let's see how to complete this assignment by using our Android device. So it says download the introduction to Spreadsheet. So we're going to click on that introduction to Spreadsheet. While it is downloading, it is going to ask you if you want to open it with any app. I advise or encourage us to download this Excel app, the one you are seeing here, not this one. I already have this one here. Click on it and just say just once. Okay, so when you are done, it will open. Remember the steps. So this is your assignment here. Remember, it is unsaved. It is not saved yet. Remember how I asked us to save it. Click on these 3 dots here. Click on it, and it will ask you to save as. Click on save as. Okay. Do not forget, you are saving this thing in your device, not the browse, not Google Drive, but the device. You can save Google Drive if you want to, or you can save it in OneDrive, your BYU-Pathway worldwide. So this is my wife's home. Okay, but we're going to save it in the device so that we can find it easily if we don't have data. Okay, under document, we can either save it under document. On the last video I made, I saved it in the phone storage, but let's save it this time in the document. We can find a place here, but it is going to take us long. Let's save it in the phone storage. Okay, so inside the phone storage, I love saving mine in Xender. Okay, I love saving my own in the Xender. So when I click on Xender, it's going to ask me, do you want to save it here? I'm going to say yes, I want to save it here. But before I do that, look below. You're going to see rename. I want to rename this to what I can remember, and I'm going to change my button. I'm going to use the G board. So I want to save it to my name, Christian Spreadsheet. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, it is being saved. Now it is saved with my name, Christian Spreadsheet. Alright, so now let's do the assignment. Following the instruction, if you notice, we had some instruction here on how to do this assignment. Okay, so here are some of the instructions we needed to follow. So come back here, you can follow this instruction to do your assignment, but I'm not going to follow this instruction because I already know the instructions, but I want you to follow it. So let's jump back to our phone. The first instruction says in A1, type your full name. So I'm going to say got it. Okay, I'm going to type my full name. So I want to type my full name. My full name is Christian. Okay, so I'm going to type Christian Uche, and I'm going to click on this button. If you are done typing, good. So my name is there. Now I have some figure to work on the cell C1 or down to 11. We have some figure here and here. Okay, And if you check here also, we have some figure here. Now we're going to calculate. So I'm going to be very much fast. We have 3 minutes to go. So here they say we should calculate the sum. If you check the instruction, we are to calculate the sum in cell D12. Okay, so what is the sum? In Excel, we need to use equal sign to start a formula. So I'm going to click on equal sign. You can see what I'm doing on the screen. Equal sign, I'm going back to alphabet and I'm going to click sum, and I'm just typing the sum. You can use the formula, but I'm just typing my own. And we are asked to use D2. Okay, starting from the top, you can see that it's highlighted, and I need a column to also type D. Go to number D11, and I'm going to close the bracket. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm going to click on this thing. Good, and you can see that my work is correct. I have C. This C means correct. The F means some formula missing. Okay, the sum formula is missing. The A means check, and then you can see all of the instruction here or guide. Now what do we need to do next? All we need to do here is we need to calculate the discount. And how to calculate the discount? We need to use equal sign in Excel to start the formula. So I'm going to say equal to what? Equal to this cell, and this cell needs an absolute referencing. So I'm going to go into it and move my cursor so that I can type a dollar sign in front of it. And if I move my cursor a little bit in front of 2, I'll type another dollar sign. And what do I need? I need an asterisk so that I can multiply it with the price. Okay, so when I click on good, you can see that my work is going on well. Now, to some of us who ask, how can I highlight everything so that it will work? On the dot here, on this point here, drag it down so that the formula can apply to other parts. Okay, now how you can do that? Click on it. Now, instead of clicking on this part, please, you can use the word fill. Okay, there's a word fill here. You can use that, but let's try using it. Fill. So when you click on fill, it's going to turn to a cube. Then you use the fill down, and everything will make use of the formula, and everything is done. Okay, so I'm going to be back again. So okay, I have 1 minute. Let's see if we can use this 1 minute. Now the final price is price minus discount. So how do we do that? We use equal sign in Excel. So I'm just trying to be very fast with time. Equal sign in Excel, we are going to say price minus, use a minus sign, minus discount, and then we click on good. So now that we have clicked on that part, okay, we need to click in that cell to use fill. When we click on the cell to use fill, we're going to click down to that cube so that everything can be correct. So the student asked if that could be possible. It is very much possible. But now let's add a chart for this. So we're going to highlight this. So on this part, we need to highlight everything here. So we are highlighting the date and sale. You can see what I did. I did not change it to fill, but I used the circle to highlight everything. Okay, I'm going to make another video to show us how to choose a chart, but if I still have a time, I'm going to also show us how to do that. To select chart, you're going to click on that button you are seeing here. I just click on a button below. Okay, and after clicking that, it's going to ask me to add a cell, but I'm going to come back to make another video for that.